Good morning to everyone present here. I would like to extend my warmest wishes to you all on the beginning of the new academic year. Let me first congratulate to those who attained high grades. As we all know that beginning of something new is always amazing and we all feel the same. Here I'm talking about the new academic session, a next chapter of your life means a lot of challenges. And it depends on you that how you make the strategy to overcome the challenges. Being a teacher, I strongly feel that each child is different and unique, and this is the place where a proper shape is given to your future. And to these students, I must say that do not regret on your past, learn from that. We can't start the next chapter of our life if we keep reading the last one. Don't compare yourself to anyone because everybody is unique. We can't be good in everything. Compete with yourself, learn from your mistakes, and try to do your best. My dear students, success has no shortcut. So be responsible, be sincere, and be creative. And I wish that the year will be the brightest year of your life. Good luck. Thank you.